All right, guys, let's talk heart murmurs. So if you're a medical student and you're not good at heart murmurs, you should know you are totally normal. I was terrible at heart murmurs until I became a cardiology fellow. And if you're not good at heart murmurs and valvular heart disease, then just focus on two conditions. The first one is aortic stenosis, most common valvular disorder in the United States. It occurs in older patients and it causes a systolic murmur. And then mitral stenosis is the most common valvular condition worldwide because of rheumatic fever. It occurs in younger patients and it causes a diastolic murmur. And so if you're not great at valvular heart disease and heart murmurs, then just focus on those two conditions. They're the most common ones. They're the most likely ones to show up on your board exams. And once you get those down, then you can learn the others if you have time.